So in this lecture, we're going to be looking at Google Play's new feature about split testing your graphics. It's very, very cool. I'm logged into my developer account, and you have to have your APK uploaded already, and it's under Store Listing and Experiments. And it actually gives you two options. And I'm actually going to be doing another section in the upcoming updates. We haven't ever localized our apps, and we're going to be testing this out. So I'm not going to be covering this right now. I'm going to be focusing on just the global graphics right now, okay? And I talked a little bit about localizing and what that means and why you don't want to have words on your icons, but you could have words on your icons if you localize them, and they give you that option to test that as well. But like I said, we aren't familiar with that. We just started looking into localizing our apps, and you will learn while I learn, and I'll be updating the course accordingly. Okay, so let's jump right in. You need to choose an experiment, and of course we're going to do global and graphics only, and this is an experiment with graphic assets in your app's default store listing. If you add any localized graphic assets in your other languages, which was over here, users viewing your app will choose those languages and are excluded from your experiment. So you just click Create. It will actually want you to name the experiments. So if you're testing two different icons, I would call this one Icon Test. And then you want 50%. So you pretty much always want this on 50%. What it means is it specifies the percentages of users who will see the version of your store listing that is affected by the experiment. So basically 50% will see one type of icon and 50% will see the other. And that's what you want for it to be a fair experiment, okay? And then it lets you select the attributes you'd like to change compared to the current listing. So you can change right now your icon, your feature graphic, your screenshots, or your promo videos. That's pretty cool, but right now we're talking about icon, and then you would hit OK. And this is where you would have your icon would pop up here, and then you would just enter the variant name, new icon, and then you would click here to upload a new icon. And you could actually upload another icon, but we have just been doing it with two, and it's really, really cool. And then you just click Save. Okay, it's that simple. You guys have to try it. If your app hasn't been getting any downloads, I really implore you to make a new icon and run some split testing. I wasn't a believer. We always put words on our icons until we started to do this split testing. Really try this new feature. Google knows how important icons and screenshots are to getting downloads, and this will help with your ranking your app.